Okay, so thank you so much for presenting about the ISO 14001. So ISO 14001 is an international standard that specifies the requirements of an effective environmental management system. It provides a framework that organization can use to enhance their environmental performance and manage the environmental responsibilities in a systematic manner. ISO 14001 is applicable to any organizations regardless of size, type, or sector. So a cornerstone of ISO 14001 is the commitment to environmental policy. So top management must develop an environmental policy that reflects organizations' commitment to complying with applicable legal requirements, preventing pollution, and continually improving the EMS. And this policy must be communicated to all employees and made available to the public, ensuring transparency and accountability. So leadership and commitment from the top management are vital to the successful implementation of ISO 14001. So leader must integrate environmental management into the organization's strategic direction and ensure the availability of resources. So they must also assign rules and responsibilities and ensure that employees are aware of their rules and supporting the environmental management system. So planning is a vital aspect of ISO 14001. Organization must identify and assess the environmental aspects and impacts of their activities, products, and services. So this involving considering both current and potential future environmental impacts. Based on this assessment, organizations set environmental objectives and targets, develop action plans, and determine how to achieve this goal effectively. So this standard emphasizes the importance of a risk-based approach to managing environmental aspect. A company must consider both risks and opportunities associated with their environmental aspect, compliance obligations, and other factors. So in addressing these risks and opportunities, organizations can prevent environmental incidents, comply with regulations, and enhance their environmental performance. Support processes are essential for the effective implementation of ISO 14001. And this include ensuring competence, providing training, raising awareness, and facilitating effective communication. An organization must also document and control information relevant to the environmental management system, ensuring it is accessible, accurate, and secure. Operational control is another key element of this standard because organization must establish, implement, and maintain processes to control their significant environmental aspect. And this includes setting operational criteria, implementing control measures, and maintaining emergency preparedness and response plans. So effective operational control helps mitigate environmental impacts and ensures compliance with legal and other requirements. So performance evaluation is critical for continual improvement. Organization must monitor, measure, analyze, and evaluate their environmental performance using appropriate indicators. Internal audits and management reviews are conducted regularly to assess the effectiveness of the EMS and identify opportunities for improvement. And this ensures that EMS remain effective and aligned with the organization's environmental policy and objectives. So continual improvement is a fundamental principle of this standard because again, organizations are required to take actions to continually enhance their EMS based on the result of performance evaluation, audits, and reviews. This proactive approach helps organizations respond to changing environmental conditions, regulatory requirements, and stakeholder expectations, ensuring a long-term environmental sustainability. Implementing ISO 14001 offers numerous benefits, as our presenter mentioned. It helps organizations reduce this environmental footprint or their environmental footprint, improve resource efficiency, and achieve cost saving. No? Compliance with environmental regulations is facilitated, reducing the risk of fines and legal actions, and these standards also enhance the organization's reputation, no, and stakeholder trust, providing a competitive advantage in the marketplace. So by fostering a culture of sustainability, ISO 14001 support organizations in making a positive impact on the environment and society. So I think that's it for this topic.